Getting ready to cut out my windows for the Teardrop camper. They're gonna be static windows. They're just gonna set right in. This one's halfway done. Basically what I will do here is I'm gonna get you a little closer. You can kind of take a quick peek. I'm gonna cut my first pass. Of course, it takes multiple cuts. A little dust. Just took my mask off. So you cut this first cut a 1/4 inch deep, which I am because I'm getting 1/4 inch thick glass. It's harder to break, and it's also in safety glass. So the first pass is a 1/4 inch deep, and you can see right here how I moved the screw from here to here. That gives me that width right there, and then some, just a little bit more to for the plate glass to set on. Now we go around this side. You should be able to get a clear understanding of what I'm doing. So I don't have, I normally would like a lot more lift than that, but I haven't done one of these windows in about 3 years. But that's adequate. Now if you want to, you can take a router on the inside of this, then OG and round that a little bit, and I may do that because I don't really care for sharp edges. And if I router it, of course what I'll need to do is I'll need to sand these edges first, because that's where my last cut was. Yeah, maybe I won't run a router on that. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see, because I got a little bit of a divot here where it, when I was finishing up, it just did its own thing. And that's just what happens when you're making a homemade camper. You have to make a few adjustments along the way, and if you screw something up, just go the other direction. So, take a look here. I'm not gonna run the router and let you watch the video of that, put you through that. I mean, I know people like to do videos where there's loud screeching noises and bright flashing lights, and I don't do that because it just makes it, you may be watching this at the end of the day and you're probably tired and don't want to see all that. So what I've done is I've scooted it in that much, and I'll make a couple of passes till it cuts through there, and then what I will do on the inside here is I'll put a piece of duct tape to hold it so that it won't fall. You can elect to take a piece of some thin wood and attach it here and here. What you want to do is cut this all the way through, so you don't need to come back up here, and you can attach it like this and hold it steady. Alright, I'll see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching the 5x8 Teardrop camper.